So we're from down on the flatlands. It's really nice to be up here in the hills playing some tunes. But this song's about the ocean, Pacific Ocean, something we all need to survive. Salt water flows through my veins, runs through my heart and runs through my brain. Santa Monica, Coyote Town, Fort Peter to Melbourne, that's where I'm bound. My heart, my head, always be around. That sweet Pacific to which I'm bound. The German Captain Cook, Sir Francis Drake, Continental Warrior, and the great salt air, the trade winds, the fish, the winds, the islands and the cold, Pacific nature, you know. Pacific nature, you know. So many sailors, so many stories, Cook's last stand, outlaw surfer gang. Australia to Chile, Japan to Peru, Mexico, China, and Russia too. We all share the same shore, the waves, the winds, the ocean floor, volcanoes, hurricanes, and cold. Islands like emeralds, they spread out like a web across the water. Polynesia, Micronesia, through the palms the trade winds blow. The people all know by the spirit of the sea. Despite differences live peacefully. Captain Cook, Sir Francis Drake, Continental Warrior, and the great salt air, the trade winds, the fish, the winds, the islands and the coast, Pacific nature, you know. Pacific nature, you know. The Pacific, the breadbasket of life, the fish, the mammals, and people alive. Let's do our best to keep it that way, not dump our rubbish or let it decay. The water's so blue, it's life to so many. We can't lose it, not for love nor money. So leave the sharks alone, let the whales run free. It's there for all, but just take what you need. Salt water flows through my veins, runs through my heart, runs through my brain. Santa Monica,